Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, I will guide you through the simple step to log in Telus Health. Whether you are a patient, employee or just want to access your medical record, this tutorial will guide you through the process. Let's dive in. First thing first, open up your preferred web browser. Whether you are using Chrome, Firefox, Safari or any other browser of your choice, make sure it is up and running. Now, next in the address bar, type in Telus Health logins. Once you type in the Telus Health login, hit enter. Now, you will see the login options in this section where you get to see the telushealth.com site. Now tap on this option. Now, you will be directed to the login page. Here, you need to enter your username in this section and password in this section. Make sure you input them correctly to avoid any login issues. After entering your credentials, double check to ensure they are accurate. Once you are certain, click on the next option. Once you click in the next option, you will log in into the Telus Health. Depending on your role and permission, you will have access to different feature and resource within the platform of Telus Health. So by this way, you can log in easily into the Telus Health. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.